Hi guys, this will be another quick look video. This time we're looking at Pass Aleph 5 AliExpress clone that I got during winter sale. And how much I've paid for that? Let me check, give me a second. Okay, I got that one for $750, shipping included, but I've actually had to pay custom fees, and the custom fees were additional $50. So all in all, $800 for this amplifier. This is supposed to be full class A amplifier that's able to output 90 watts of power into 4 ohms, as far as I remember, and it's supposed to be able to output 60 watts into 8 ohms. It also has some very nice THD numbers, because for 1 kilohertz it's 0.003%. That's quite nice. Dynamic range is amazing, but because it's given by the manufacturer as 140 decibels. The gain is 20 decibels, and the frequency range, no, we don't have any data on frequency range, at least not in the manufacturer's data. Okay, so it's very heavy. It's very heavy. It's more than 50 kilograms. It looks very nice. The actual chassis looks like Pass amplifiers. The meter in front, I thought it's a VU meter, but it's actually a voltage meter showing bias, so it will not dance with your music. In the front we have also power switch, a regular power rocker. The front plate is very thick, and you can actually see it has 2 layers. The front layer had been screwed on using these 4 screws, but there are some small, let's take a look at that. It's not ideal. When I have a few minutes, I will loosen the screws and I will align this properly. Okay, so we have a lot of cooling fins on the sides, like that, and in the back we have 2 sets of speaker connectors for the right channel and for the left channel. We also have 1 set of RCA inputs and 1 set of XLR inputs. There is no selector for choosing them, as it was in original Pass Aleph 5. In the manual for the original, Nelson Pass says that you can actually connect both at the same time, and nothing bad should happen, but it's not very advisable, because it will influence the quality of the sound. So the best way is to connect just 1 chosen input. And we have power connector with integrated fuse compartment, and 2 really useful handles for holding and working with the amplifier. So let's take a look inside. I am trying to open the cover using my, yes I did. Okay. before I retrieve my pointer, top lid is quite thick. It's around 4 millimeters, solid aluminum. And give me a second. That was a nice trick. I had no idea I can do something like that. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Okay. So what can we see here? We have 2 toroidal transformers with shielding. The stickers on them with specifications are placed on the sides here, and you won't be able to see that, but I've checked that with a mirror and small flashlight, and both of them are rated for 300 watts output power. By the way, this is zero zone construction so far, with 1 exception. All of zero zone constructions, all of zero zone cloned amplifiers were excellent choices. So, two toroidal transformers. We can see the back of the VU meter here. I'll try to zoom in for you, and you may be able to see that the label says this is actually a Huawei device, so it should be pretty precise. And the amplifier boards. Let's tighten that, and let's take a look at the amplifier boards. Okay, we have 12 novel capacitors per channel, 6 here and 6 here. Each one of them is rated for 10,000 microfarads, meaning that in total we have 120,000 microfarads per channel. The power transistors are supposed to be paired within 1% of tolerance according to the description from the seller, and you can see them screwed in behind the PCB board in those places. What's interesting here are the capacitors. These are ELNA Seraphim capacitors, and maybe I rotate that, give me a second. And we're back. Yes, the blue ones are Nichicons. We also have Nichicold gold ones here. We have WIMA MKP capacitors, the red ones as usual. We have a lot of ceramic resistors, and we have Omron relays for speaker protection. And we have some other caps over here, and these seem to be also Nichicons. So all in all, good quality parts all over the board, but then again, it wasn't exactly cheap. One more thing. I'm not sure, you probably won't be able... Yeah. The power socket connector is branded with Ochorn, and you can actually buy those off AliExpress separately, and they have quite good reputation, quite good opinions. This power connector is gold plated on the outside and on the inside. Okay, let's zoom out. What else do we have here? The actual speaker output. It's not one thick speaker wire, but as you can see, it's a braided set of wires going under the amplifier PCB. We have RCA inputs here and XLR inputs here. Let's zoom in. Yeah, so you'll be able to see the small boards for that. While we're here zooming, you can take a look and see that the amplifier board uses two sets of inputs. One set of inputs is for single-ended, and it's here, and balanced XLR input has a separate set of cables, wires, and separate input on the PCB board. So I quite like it. I have no idea if this is one-to-one perfect copy of the Pass Aleph 5 amplifier boards. If you know, if you've seen the originals, if you can compare, give me a shout in the comments. It's going through burn-in at the moment, and it's consuming something like 340 watts. It's very hot. It reaches 57 degrees centigrade on the fins, closely to the mounting points of the transistors underneath the radiator. And it actually gets cooler when I'm starting to set the volume higher. So yes, all the traits of Class A amplifier. With 90 watts into 4 ohms, there's a pretty good chance that this one will be able to drive properly my Martin Logan electrostats. The previously previously reviewed Musical Fidelity A1 clone that was also working in pure Class A was not able to achieve that because it was just 20 or 25 watts per channel. Okay, so I think that's all for the first look video. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, give me a shout in the comments, and stay tuned for a full review coming quite soon. I'll finish the burn-in and I'll do listening sessions. And when I find the time for that, I'll take notes and I'll share what I hear with you guys. So, thanks for watching this, and you'll have a great day ahead of you. Bye guys.